got friendships to make. We've got cakes to bake, cupcakes and candy. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery. Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh, we giggle, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery.
Tomatoes, tomatoes, potatoes, go swish!
What is up with you? Are you alright?
Bees, 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 mushrooms, oh, potatoes!
Caramel? Caramel?
Caramel? There's no caramel on this game. Shucks! I just lost this game.
Lost what?
This game. I am so stuck to it. If it was a nail polish, I'd wear it on my nails all the time. I love this game that much.
You say that about every game.
No, but this time I really mean it. You just have to play this game, Candy. You just have to.
And why do I have to?
I bet you can't score more than me. I betcha.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Well, bring it on, Care Bear.
You got it, Candy Cane. Competition is on. It's time to sing a song together.
Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it.
Let's play.
Vegetables. Capsicum. Red capsicum. Radish.
See? I told you it was addictive.
Oh, I absolutely love this game because the fruits and veggies are so yummy, yummy, bummy. And you know what? It's so easy peasy, Care Bear.
Oh, just you wait and watch, Candy Cane.
I can do anything. Lettuce, check. Capsicum, gotcha, check. Peas, check. Weird looking veggie, baby, check. Whoa, look at me go. Whee!
Get ready, Candy Cane.
Whoa, wait, what? What is happening?
Told ya.
What is going on? Why is everything moving so fast?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Excellent, Candy. Well done. Whoa! Look at how quickly I cleared level 10. How cool is this, Care Bear? Why are they jumbling up? Wait! No!
For you.
Level 12 is crazy, Caramel.
Oh, quick! Find the tomato.
Oh my god, they look all the same. Jumbled! No! No, 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 no! You say good when I am really great. No way! Oh, come on. I was doing so well.
That's okay, Candy Cane. It's only a game. It's time to sing a song together.
Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.